Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to save a video on Likee. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Likee application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Likee, to be able to go and use the application. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So, as you can see, here we have at the bottom screen where you have your profile, your messages, the plus button where you can go and put some content, the explore page, and the for you page. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and save videos on Likee. So it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps. Basically, what you need to do is go on the first page, which is
put it over there.
And here you'll have these videos.
Oh, is that water?
Comment, share them, or save them. So this is the save button. As you can see, I clicked on it. It is now yellow. So click on the save button.
Put it over there.
Go to your profile, and here you will have it in the saved collection. So as you can see, which is this. And basically, you click on it, unsave it, and it will not be saved anymore. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.